Find or read reviews that people are talking for KOTEK double camping chair, folding camp chair with removable umbrella, cup holders, cooler bag, side pocket and carry bag, 2-person beach chair. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Experience maximum comfort in any weather. Indulge in ultimate relaxation with our ergonomic double camp chair with high backrest and convenient handles. Designed for all-weather use, this camping couch comes with a height-adjustable sunshade, 46.5 to 70 inch, to shield you from the sun's rays, ensuring a cool and comfortable outdoor experience. Foldable design for storage and transport. Measuring 63x22x 46.5 inch, our camp chair with shade is large enough to comfortably seat 2 individuals. When not in use, just simply fold it down to a compact size of 39x11x 7.5 inch for easy storage. Weighing only 15 pounds, this picnic chair can be effortlessly transported with the included carry bag, cup holders and cooler bag. Say goodbye to clutter with 2 Cuban pesos holders and a mesh organizer bag on this director chairs for camping, providing ample space for your drinks, sunglasses, tissues, towels, and other items. The center cooler bag ensures your beverages stay ice-cold, allowing you to indulge in a refreshing drink at any time during your outdoor adventures. Stable structure and premium material. Constructed with a sturdy steel frame, our 2-seat set with an umbrella can support up to 270 pounds per chair. Non-slip foot pads adapt to any terrain, ensuring stability on varying ground conditions. The waterproof and breathable fabric is fade-resistant, making it ideal for long-lasting outdoor use without feeling stuffy. Enhance your outdoor experience. With its vibrant color and practical features, the Love Seat camping chair is the perfect companion for outdoor activities. Share this portable lawn chair with your couple, family, friends, and cute pets, to create unforgettable memories at sports events, parties, gatherings, beaches, camping trips, picnics, and more. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.